Oh shit, look at this. This is Pedro's birds. They came from 58th Street. Over here. Those flights right there. And then look at Lucas right here. I'm trying to see if I can swing anything over this way. They're flying good. Look at this. Look at this. Oh shit. Look at Lukey. Look at Lukey. Look at Lukey's birds. Yeah, but they stay away from each other. Here they come. Oh, I got to catch this. I hope I catch this on video. Look at the birds right there. Look at them right there. Look at this. Look, 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 look. Ooh. This is nice. Yeah. His birds climbed again. Here comes Lucas' birds. They're going up. Look, Lucas got a little bunch right there too. There they go. Look. Here they go. Here they go. Look, look, look. Right there. Get. Oh my God. What's the matter with these guys? Why did they just flip it? Oh, there they go. Ooh. A YouTube exclusive. I already see one of the flights trying to get in there. There they go, there they go. There they go. Oh, look at this. There they go. There they go. Oh, there. Got a couple of flights in there. Got a couple of flights in there. There they go. Look, look. Yeah. There they go. Pedro's birds and Lucas' birds together. There they go. Got them on YouTube. Oh, here comes a floater hawk right there under them. You see this? You see this? Look, look at the hawk right under them. The red tail. There go the red tail. Look at the red tail floating right under them. Oh my God, look at this. There they all go together. They're all together. The red tail right under. See this big boy floating right here? Look at this big boy. Look at big boy right here. Look at the birds up there. I got his flights in there. I got his flights with Lucas' birds. I can't believe this. Look at this. I gotta find out if those are his youngsters or the older ones. He might just try to pull me over that way too. Well, YouTube, I'm off for right now. If I catch anything, I'll let y'all know. Later.